Hello guys, I got delivery of the Dark Curse. This is my second box. It sounds like whatever's in here is broken. So I'm going to be sad, I know when I open this. This is coming from the UK to the United States, so I would really hope they would wrap it good. So if not, I'm going to have to email them. But yeah, it sounds like it's broken. Well, it's definitely been through the mill, you can tell that. But let's pull out and see what we got. We got a crystal, a coin, looks like a quartz. Pretty cool. That's in one piece, yay! We got a black velvet bag, two of them. Two black velvet bags. Okay. I got this little baggie. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Black pumpkin pin. That is adorable. Cute. Ooh. Another little bag here. This one's a little hard to open because it's teeny tiny. Okay. It's a little tiny ring with a triquetra on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see. It looks like it's probably a midi ring or a toe ring. You guys can you see the triquetra? Right there. I hope you can anyway. It's a cute little midi ring. Oh, and there's still another package. Ooh, this is cute. I love the color purple. Acrylic purple necklace. That's adorable. I like that. That's different. The scroll. Put that on the side for now. Ooh, there's more. Incense cone. 2 incense cones. The candle, it broke. So, a red tapered candle, and it looked like this part fell off as well. It's supposed to say blessed be. And it broke right there, so I guess that was stuck on there. Should have said, blessed be, but it got broken. It would have been really cute if it wasn't broken, but I'll message them and see if they can send me out another one. That stinks. Okay. Oh. Another one of these crystals, and it doesn't look broken, which is awesome. Aha! These are 2 broken crystals. Oh, yeah. Found the bottom of one. There should be another bottom. Oh. Yeah. 2. Oh man, I would have 4 of these. Now I got too many. Well, I'll message them. I'm sure they'll be nice enough to send them back out, but I'll have to tell them they have to wrap them up. You can't just throw this in a box and expect it not to break from shipping. That's just crazy. Doesn't look like it wrapped up in anything, that's for sure. Okay. And there's one other thing wrapped in this big tissue. It's pretty heavy, so I'm going to rip it open. Oh, wow. This is really nice. It's got a little cuts on it, but it is the 2020 moon calendar. This is for the upcoming year. It has the faces of the moon for the whole year, moon cycles, and 2 holes where you can hang it if you want on the wall, which is awesome. That is really cool. And it has these papers on the moon here. I don't know. This must be the full moons, I guess, of the month. That is awesome, and it's pretty big. It's a pretty big size. That is really cool. That's something like a one-of-a-kind thing you'll never get. I love this. This is awesome. Aha. Please carefully peel the protective layer from the full moon. So I guess these are protective layers they want you to peel off. Full moon. And I got this sheet here. It says the dark curse. What's inside? It's a list of what's inside. Compass stones. 4 directions are cardinal energies, the elements that surround us and work within our lives. Use them to balance your energies. So there was 4 of these, and 2 of mine, of course, came broken, so I'll message them. So we got 4 of these guys. Then it says the full moon calendar for 2020. Sterling silver triquetra midi ring. The blessed bee candle, which again, mine came in broken. Franken myrrh and white rose incense cones. A necklace and a pin badge. And it says, please submit your complete codes from the last 3 scrolls. This is only my 2nd box, so I'm confused. I didn't get my 3rd one, unless it's still coming, because it says return your curse information like by the 14th of October, and today is the 8th, and I don't have number 3 yet. This is number 2 for me, so I don't know what's going on. And this is the dark curse. This is the riddle that I gotta fill out for box 2, which is this one here for me. So maybe there's another one coming in a day or so, I hope. I guess I'll find out too. I'll have the message and find out what's going on. So that is my dark curse box number 2. It says pull off protective coating. I don't know if I'm supposed to pull this off or if this is the full moon. I don't want to ruin it. It would make sense the full moon would be white. I don't know. I'll have to look online and see if anyone else peels these off. But that is absolutely awesome. So that's box number 2, Dark Curse for me. I'll leave the information on the bottom, guys, for you. Until next time. Bye-bye.